Hey guys, my name is Jacob with MotoHunt, and today I'm going to show you how to do a trade appraisal using the direct buy feature that we have new in our system at no additional charge to you. So from your MotoHunt Premium account, you want to switch over to the appraisals page, which will look like this on my screen. Now, once you're here, you'll want to put in the VIN number into this VIN model search box. So I've copied and pasted my VIN number in there. From your mobile app, you can also do this with a picture, but for desktop version, it's just a copy and paste and then hit the magnifying glass. Okay, so from here, it looks like it decoded it to a 2022 Harley Softail Standard, great motorcycle. Now, from here, we could go jump right into the NPA Direct Buy, but let's just take a quick look at the appraisal features first. So starting from left to right, looks like our 2022 Softail comps are our ALPs. We've got a couple used ones out there, 6 within 150 miles of me. Here's the average going price for it on retail. We've got 8 by the Facebook Marketplace private seller. Rough, clean average retail. NPA wholesale last 3 months of sold wholesaled bikes. And there's that 6257 number of a wholesale buying transaction. Let's see, we've got related appraisals. This one was at an NPA auction before, it looks like. Local prices, 20 alternatives by dealer used. Let's keep going. Market day supply, recently delisted, and looks like we've got some vehicle VIN history on it as well. So it started its life back in February of 2022 at Mahal and Harley Davidson in Calabasas as a new motorcycle and was sold the next month. And now a couple years later, we're now doing an appraisal on it. So pretty cool, right? All right, back up to the top. Now this NPA Direct button sits right here in your top screen. And if we hit that, it'll take us to the NPA Direct sign up. Now, if this is your first time doing an NPA Direct Buy, we have to put in our NPA account number. So I'll put in mine and then hit submit. Okay. Now, once we get to this screen here, we know that we're linked with my store and my NPA account number. So it links the two accounts together. Okay. So comments, I'm just going to put on yours. Mileage, we need that. 8,900 is what we'll do for mileage. And I'm just going to answer the same types of questions on this form that you would from NPA's app directly. It's the same exact form, but I'm going to show you how that's really cool to use everything in MotoHunt. Okay. So we'll say there's some mild cosmetic scratches. It's a good. Controls, minor scratches. Title is coming from finance company. That's a title. We'll say it's for Arizona. Receiving date, we'll say that it's coming in tomorrow. Now, you are not required to do the title front or the title back just yet, but you are required to upload photos of the bike. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's upload more photos. And then from here, we can drop some pictures in there, which I've got right here. So I'll open those up and you see that we can bulk upload multiple pictures at the same time and hit done. Now, once these photos are available, we just need to fill out the rest of this information here. So let's see. So this is left side. So I'm going to select, let's move my head here. Let's move the left side here. All right. Front side. That one looks pretty good. Right side, pipe side out, rear side, and then odometer. Okay. And that's basically it, guys. Now, once we have this all done, we've got to submit to NPA down here at the bottom. Okay. Now, if there's any errors or if we missed a question up here, it'll tell us at the top that, hey, we forgot something, but this one we did not. And so the vehicle has been submitted successfully to NPA, and I would give it about 5 to 10 minutes for NPA to respond. Okay, so with the appraisal, NPA takes about 5 to 10 minutes. What's really cool is if you're looking at your list of appraisals here, there's that 2022 Harley Softail right on the top, and you can see that we have the little NPA Direct Buy logo over on the right. That means that we've got a Direct Buy out there for it. If we click on it, it's going to take us right to the NPA offer. So they've come back now with an offer. It says we have an offer from Direct Buy on this unit. It's $2,800. Looks like they did not leave any comments, but there it is, right? So that's their price. We can either agree to their terms of service and accept or decline or do nothing with it. It's really up to you. But that's how we do a NPA Direct Buy number on just about any motorcycle, ATV, side-by-side, watercraft, or any other power sport vehicle. So hopefully